Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Amanda and today I wanted to talk about investing and how anyone can invest. Sorry if you hear some tapping in the background, that is my dog walking around. I think a common misconception is that only rich people can invest. And so I just kind of want to talk that through a little bit. Mainly anyone can invest. It doesn't matter how much money you have. You can start investing with $10, $20, $50, $100. You can invest. You don't have to have a ton of money to invest or start investing. It's not just rich people who invest, it's people invest to get rich. It really goes back to compound interest, but for this video, I just really want to focus on the fact that anyone can invest, including you. You can invest no matter how much money you have to start off with. And investing is how your money is able to grow and multiply. And so I just want to share that you can totally invest. You don't have to have a certain amount of money to start. I know this video is short, I just really wanted to debunk that myth. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, or if you want to stay anonymous, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, AmandaMLM. Hopefully in another video, I can touch on the power behind investing and compounded interest. We can get into more details there, but you actually can invest, so don't tell yourself otherwise. It is possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.